Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Greg Barnes and I'm a chiropractor, and today I'm going to be answering the question, is cracking your neck deadly or even dangerous for your health? So recently a news report came out about a 28-year-old man out of Oklahoma that had cracked his neck or had been cracking his neck, and in the process gave himself a stroke, or it caused a stroke. And so of course, as a chiropractor, a question that I will get, even outside of a recent news report like this, is that, is chiropractic dangerous, and does it lead to strokes? Can it cause damage to my body? Which I think it's a great opportunity and a great question to educate. So before I get into this, I definitely do not want to, what happened to that man is very tragic, so I'm not going to downplay that whatsoever. However, the facts are that this is incredibly safe to receive a chiropractic adjustment. Number one, knowing that unfortunately hundreds of millions of people crack their own neck and do what they would call self-adjustments on a yearly basis. Some people doing it daily, some people doing it multiple times per day. And the fact that this is the first occurrence I ever heard of in my 10-year career leads me to believe that this is an extremely rare occurrence and maybe has never happened before until now. Number two is that obviously this man was not a chiropractor and didn't go through 8 years of school and very specialized training to know how to very specifically adjust the joints of the spine as to not cause a problem, whether it would be a stroke or even a little bit of extra muscle tension. So we learned very specific lines of drive and very specific techniques and angles with which to safely and properly adjust the spine. So not only to do it right to get the best results, so that it also doesn't lead to any type of muscle or ligament irritation or even joint irritation as well. So the next point is that so I am a chiropractor, and again, I've been doing this for a long time. I've done almost 250,000 adjustments in my career, and even I do not try to adjust my own neck, or definitely don't try to crack my own neck. I see my two chiropractors on a regular basis, and so even though I have all the training that I have and all the experience, I still don't even try to do it on myself. Again, going back to the specificity of the angle and the line of drive that is, to my knowledge, impossible to accomplish on your own, on your own. So again, going back to safety, I pay just over $100 a month for my malpractice insurance, which gives me up to $3 million per year in legal coverage should there be a problem. And so most of you that are watching this, you pay way more to insure your car for a lot lesser amount, and you probably even pay way more for your cell phone bill. So as we unfortunately know, the number one goal and priority of an insurance company is to make money, and so they obviously have done their due diligence and looked at the data regarding being a patient in a chiropractic office and providing legal coverage for chiropractors, and realized that to only have to pay $1,200 a year for our malpractice and the amount of coverage that we get, it must be still they can make money off of that. So just to give you a little bit of a comparison, the average medical doctor in my state, and this is really pretty similar for nationwide, for the exact same amount of legal coverage that I have, will pay upwards of $20,000+, and that's just for a general practitioner. Of course, surgeons and other specialists are going to pay way more than that for the exact same coverage. So the next time somebody tells you that chiropractic is not safe, you'll actually find that according to the malpractice insurance carriers, they actually will tell you, well, no, according to our data and our research, going to a medical doctor is vastly more dangerous, even just for a regular encounter. And then finally, and the occurrence is where you have heard of maybe a direct link with a chiropractic appointment and a stroke, or in this case, again, it wasn't even a chiropractor, it was just a gentleman cracking his own neck. What we have found is that as the dust settles and the more research is done and autopsies in case it ends in a death or more extensive testing, more often than not, in fact the vast majority of the ones that I've looked at, there was a pre-existing condition going on. So I'm not a vascular specialist, so I'm not going to be able to explain a full on in depth and for that. But what we find is people had a pre-existing condition going on in their vertebral or their carotid artery, that which it was not just a chiropractic adjustment that would have caused that type of a stroke to happen, but it may have either been something like a minor fender bender could have caused as much damage, or for most people they actually most frequently happen in a hair salon. So way more strokes happen in a hair salon than a chiropractic office across the entire world, and even way more actually happen in a medical doctor's office as well. So the end all be all is that getting the adjustment is not deadly. It is also very safe, and if you have any questions, please message me. But the good news is that keep getting your adjustments from your chiropractors. This is the best thing you could be doing for your health, and we look forward to keep taking care of you, and I know your chiropractor will as well. So have a good day.